Hello.
Guess what time of the month it is? Splendies. This is one of my favorite subscriptions.
Mine too.
Cindy started getting them. She got them for about a year, and then I started all I had was granny panties, and it was getting embarrassing. And while my husband was still here, you know, he didn't care that he didn't want me in underwear, period. So underwear was never an issue. But then Cindy started pulling out all these cute panties, and now he's gone, and I don't have anyone to show them to. So, like I tell everybody, you got to bend over once in a while so you can see at least the tops of them.
Well, but it makes you feel pretty.
It does.
And you don't have to go to the store and try them on.
No, and that, as we know, is disgusting.
Debbie gets the regular Splendy sizes. So Splendy is small to extra large. You pay $13.99 a month and you get 3 pair. If you're in plus sizes, it's 1X to 4X, and that is $16.99 a month. And so, and then you have your choice. You can either say all thongs, or mixed, or no thongs. I'm a no thongs kind of gal.
So I get a mix.
She gets a mix. So ours are a little different. So we'll show you Debbie's first.
Okay, so I love the underwear because they usually have these little bows on them, and I only see one pair with a bow, but that's okay because they're very lacy. So the first one I have to show you is a thong. And look at how pretty the lace is. These are definitely bend over material.
Oh God.
Drop something at Jewel, baby. Wear low rise. Well, yeah, you wear low rise pants, and then when you bend over,
I thought you meant with a dress on.
No.
Oh,
so you see the top of the underwear when you bend over. At least somebody's seeing some part of my underwear. I know, that's stupid. But my husband passed away in June, and now the only people that are seeing it are the people that they probably say, oh, here comes that clumsy lady. She's constantly dropping things. But anyway, this is my first pair, and they're really, really soft.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's pair number 1, and I like to display them. My second pair, I love the color, and I love the detail on the lace.
It's not dirty. It's actually light blue.
Yeah, it's light blue. It's so cute. Pink and blue, baby colors. And they're really, really soft. And I actually love the cut of these. They're not too like high on the on your.
Yeah, it's a high cut.
It's not a French cut. It's like just a higher cut. So those are quite cute. And these are my favorite pair because
she likes
they have the little bow. And look at. They're little roses.
Orange. They're orange roses.
Well, they're like a corally orange. I think these are adorable. So
oh, you guys, cute. Come on. You guys can afford $13.99 a month. You have got to try it out.
Let me tell you, these all retail for $12 a pair. So one pair basically pays for your subscription. So it's a no-brainer. If you like getting nice quality fancy underwear that don't have anybody else's stuff in them.
Great. Yeah, but they wash up great. Yeah, they really do.
They do. Actually, they look brand new even after they're washed. So if you're looking for, I would say a cheaper subscription, monthly subscription, and with quality items. Yeah,
but just remember, if you're thinking about doing it, we'll put the link below. But just remember to size up one because they do tend to run a little small. Not all of them, but most of them.
Most of them.
So we found that
a few of our friends that have signed up said they had to size up a size. So these are my underwear for the month.
All right, so mine are a little bit different. So here's the pair. We got 2. Oh, maybe we just got 1 different. Okay.
Yeah, so you got
right.
the rosy
so I got
pair.
the same pair as her. The
Put them on, baby. Right there you go.
And then I also got the
pink and blue
with the blue lace, so that's similar. And then because I don't wear thongs, I got a different pair. You guys, look at these. Aren't they pretty? Look at the back. It's just scallop legs.
Those are pretty.
Those are so pretty.
Those are see-through. Those are definitely date night undies.
Yeah. Those are date night where they won't stay on for long.
She has date nights. I do not.
All right. So there you go.
Splendies is a wonderful company, so all the information will be right below if you're interested. I know a lot of our friends have already,
our
and
personal
viewers
friends, not just YouTubers,
have gone through and ordered these, and nobody is saying they're unhappy with the underwear. So truly, truly, sign up.
And we
then,
did have a viewer that wanted us to try them on. That ain't gonna happen. No. No.
Talk about going on YouTube
Maybe
for
at
the wrong
about 40
reasons.
pounds from now.
I'm never modeling underwear. Sorry.
Yeah.
At 57, you don't model underwear anymore. I don't care how good you look.
All right, on that note, before she gets too crazy, we are going to sign off, and we've got a couple more videos due tonight, so we got to change our tops, the clock.
Thank you,
You'll be able to tell us
Splendies.
how long it takes us in
Thank you
between
for the
takes.
cute pics.
Yeah, great job. All right.
See you soon.
Hey,
Oh, yeah.
you gotta
Hey,
hit the subscribe button.
it's not that hard. It's right down here somewhere.
Yeah,
Just
it's over
press
by you.
it.
Yeah, yeah.
We have to get to 1,000. We're only at like just over 800. So come on, people. Throw us a bone.
All right, good night.
Good night.